Alright, this video is to talk about the squeal for 06 Scion XB. Should be the same for the 04 to 06. So the issue is this alternator, a lot of times people don't get this tight enough. So because there's nothing really to pry against whenever you're trying to tighten this, so what you do is there's a factory spot right here. You just got to put a bolt in it, find one that matches the same thread pattern, and just screw it in, and this gives you the place you need to pry against. So what you do, you take a pry bar, you find a spot on the alternator, like right here is good. You got that nice spot right there, and then you pry against this bolt and you push it forward and make a mark on your alternator before you do it. You can see I made a mark on my alternator right here. These two were lined up before I loosened it up and moved it. So once you're ready to move it, you loosen up this one right here, which is a 12mm, and you pry against this. Once it's, nice and got tension against it, then you tighten up this bolt while still holding tension on it. Once you tighten that up, you can take this out if you want. I'm just gonna leave it, it's not hurting nothing. But then you can see how much it moved. I mean, you're talking almost a 1/4 inch difference there. And when I started up, the sound's gone now. So hope this helps you.